1,120 pips bagged in just 3 trades. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm forecasting big moves that are capable of generating thousands of pips. If you want to start seeing a discernible shift in your own trading, my advice would be to commit to being a student of price action. So without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome to Price Action Nation, where we help you go from indicator overload and analysis paralysis to finally trading with clarity and confidence. Here we focus on helping traders become independently profitable by focusing on pure price action. So if you're new, please support the channel and consider subscribing. I'm going to start off by going right into our members area. In there, back on January 24th, I posted a setup on the pound CAD on the daily. Juicy ... as you can see. Here's what it looked like in the bigger picture of things. Big impulsive wave down. Again, this is a daily chart. Corrective move up. Big impulsive move down. Complex correction here starting since September. And as it was correcting for many months, the market started to develop this really nice structure that you can see. As price was coming up, back at the end of January, myself as well as my traders, our members, were looking to get in short. In fact, many of our members got in on this exact trade as well and have been riding it very nicely down. So here's the before shot, expecting and forecasting this move to have this nice wave down. And as you can see, if we go current, we had just perfect compliance by the market. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Things came down just beautifully, and they still are coming down beautifully. A very aggressive move to the downside. There's still a good 200 plus pips just back to the bottom of this support, you guys. So there's still some nice profit potential here. That's not even including if we get a break and take out these lows, which that's ultimately what I'm anticipating, is these lows to be taken out. So I'm currently still in this trade. We'll take a look at it in the trading account here in just a second. And back on January 23rd, again, we're here in the members area. I posted Wednesday, January 23rd, pound Kiwi daily, waiting for price to get higher before going on the lookout for shorts. So it was right up to this area where I was looking to get in short on price, expecting this move down, as you can see, somewhere in this area. Now let's dive into the charts, and as you can see, price came up, kissed that level we were expecting, and then came on back down. Let me give you more of an eagle's eye view of this, you guys, because you didn't see it in the screenshot that I posted. But here's this really nice structure that you can see with this beautiful symmetry that the market's creating, where we've got these beautiful support and resistance lines parallel to one another, and you've got sort of this median line right here, as you can see. Let me get an arrow and point it out all through here. Price respecting this area as support, as support, as support. It comes down on this very aggressive impulsive move down, crushes that area, comes back up and does what? Retests it as resistance. Support, when broken, will behave as resistance, especially when it's a very significant level. So this is one arena that you can start changing today in your own trading, is get a bigger picture view. Get some context in the market, you guys. If you're trading on these really small time frames and you have indicators going all over the place, you're gonna miss the stuff that's staring at you right in the face. It's not hard to see this. It just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of pre-planning to do so. That's all. The price came up respecting that level, and we had some really nice confluence there, didn't we? We had this area that I was interested in, that red highlighted area, and then this angled resistance that came up through. So great compliance of this so far. It has been coming beautifully down. I am still expecting to come back down, at least down to this 8,500 handle, which there's another few hundred pips still on the table. Now let's dive into my trading account, guys. With the pound CAD, this is one that I'm still holding on to. I'm still short on this trade. I did close some partial profits out, bagging 400 pips. This trade does have a lot more downside potential. I'm going to be riding this out, hoping that I'll be able to take advantage of that. On the pound Kiwi, as price came right up to that level, a beautiful confluence area of resistance, I saw that as an area of value to get in short. Happened to time the trade absolutely perfect. Price came raging down with a lot of strength. I moved my stop to a stop profit, and unfortunately, as you can see, barely got stopped out on that wick right up at the high. I know that sucks, but a win's a win. 340 pips is 340 pips. Pound Aussie, there was also a very nice setup similar to what you've seen on the Pound Cat and the Pound Kiwi. Getting in short there, riding it down, and unfortunately, similar to the Pound Kiwi, I also got stopped out for a profit of 380 pips on that one as well. If you want to start seeing the market differently and grabbing big waves like these, then be a part of our group. Join the free Telegram channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can take advantage of all the free valuable content I'm committed to sharing with you. I want you guys to start experiencing more success in your trading. I want you to have more clarity when you're looking at the charts, and I want you to have your trading be a lot more simplified than it is right now. So thanks for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful. Question of the day, you guys. What do you feel is your own biggest personal hurdle getting in your way of having success in your own trading? Leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to make sure and read every single one of those, and we'll see if we can't put out some videos that will address some of those. We're going to wrap things up there today, guys, and until next time, best of luck in your trading.